Some days, it feels like no matter how hard you try, nothing changes. You pray, you hope, you hold on. But deep down, you're tired. Tired of waiting, tired of trying, tired of hurting. And slowly, the thought begins to whisper, maybe I should just give up. But then, right at that breaking point, this Quran verse finds you. In Surah Az-Zumar, Allah says, قُلْ يَا عِبَادِيَ الَّذِينَ أَسْرَفُوا عَلَىٰ أَنفُسِهِمْ لَا تَقْنَطُوا مِنْ رَحْمَةِ إِلَّهِ. Say, O my servants who have transgressed against themselves, do not despair of the mercy of Allah. Do not despair, no matter how far you've fallen, no matter how heavy your pain, your sin, or your silence. Allah's mercy is always bigger, always closer, always open. This isn't the end. You haven't been abandoned. You've just reached the part of the story where the help is about to come. Shaitan wants you to believe it's too late. He wants you to drown in hopelessness. But Allah tells you there is always a way back. Even when the Prophet felt overwhelmed by rejection, loss, and hardship, when the early believers were tortured and boycotted, Allah reminded them again and again, Inna ma'al usri yusran. Indeed, with hardship comes ease. Not after hardship, with it. That means, even in your hardest moments, ease is being prepared for you. You just haven't reached it yet. Think of Prophet Ayyub, alayhi salam. He lost his health, his wealth, even his family. Yet he never gave up. And when he finally called out to Allah, أَنِّي مَسَّنِيَ لَضُرُّ وَأَنْتَ أَرْحَمُ لِلرَّاحِمِينَ. Indeed, hardship has touched me, and you are the most merciful of the merciful. Allah didn't just heal him, He restored him. So if you're down right now, it doesn't mean it's over. It might mean your restoration is next. You can rest, you can cry, you can take a moment to breathe. But don't give up, because Allah hasn't given up on you. Say it with your heart, even if your voice shakes. Ya Allah, I can't do this alone. Please carry me. That one moment of surrender could be the very thing that changes everything. Imagine a seed buried deep in the dark soil. It looks like nothing is happening. It's silent, hidden, still. But under the surface, it's cracking open, taking root, growing. That's you. Just because you can't see the growth yet, doesn't mean Allah isn't building something inside you. When you feel like quitting, remember this dua, Rabbi inni maghlubun fantasir. My Lord, I am overwhelmed, so help me. Repeat it when your hands are trembling. Repeat it when your eyes are heavy. Repeat it when your heart feels like it's breaking. Because Allah hears the whisper, even when you can't speak out loud. You are not weak for struggling. You are not a failure because you feel tired. You're still here, still holding on, still turning to Allah even when it's hard. And that means you're already winning. So when you feel like giving up, let this verse hold your heart. Let Allah's mercy wrap around you, because He's never left you, not even for a second. Share this with someone else who's about to give up. Let them know this Quran verse will find you when you feel like giving up.